Welcome to Promise EGP System training video on vendor registration. This short video will guide prospective suppliers who expect to register in the Promise EGP system on registering in the Sri Lankan government e-procurement platform. Prior to the registration, please be ready with the following: a PDF copy of the scanned business registration document, a PDF copy of the scanned SIDA registration only for the works contractors, credit debit card details to make the registration fee of 5,000 Sri Lankan rupees. To access Promise EGP system, open your internet browser and go to www.promise.lk. Notes on browser compatibility. Promise EGP system is compatible with following browsers: Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox. Browsers not listed in this video may display screen elements incorrectly or will have functionalities not working properly. At the Promise homepage, click Registration and select Vendor. Then you get the vendor registration page. Check the use of EGP system by vendors, suppliers to know the registration and supplier profile management process. You have to have copies of business registration and any other important documents such as SIDA or NMRA registration. Please note that the vendor registration payment is 5,000 rupees. You can make it as an online payment at the end of the registration process. First, you have to complete the vendor supplier organization details. Business registration authority, business name, country, business registration number, type of organization, registered address, city, official email, official telephone number, then you have to complete the details of the authorized officer of the supplier, NIC number, name, designation, mobile phone number, and the email. You will receive your password to this particular email address you are providing in here. And also, you will receive your one-time passwords to the mobile phone number which you mention in here. Then you have to upload the official documents regarding the organization and the business. The business registration document is mandatory to upload. SIDA registration, NMRA registration, or any other registration if you have to upload in here. If you have additional documents, you can click on this button and upload your additional documents. You have to read, understand, and agree with the terms and conditions. To view the terms and conditions, you may click the link as shown. Then you have to make sure that you are not a robot by clicking this box. If you have completed your form successfully, you can submit your application by clicking on this button. In the instances where you have registered twice using the same email, you will get an error message like this. Then you have to use an email address which you haven't used before to register in the EGP system. Once you have completed your application without any errors, you can click on the Submit Application button to submit your application. Then you will enter Vendor Registration Fee Payment page. Here you can see the registration fee as 5,000 rupees. The payment method is credit card, and this is your transaction number. You can click on the Continue button. Then you have to click on the Accept and Proceed button. Here you have to enter the credit or debit card number, the expiry month and the expiry year, the cardholder name, and the security code, which is at the back of your card. Then you can click on the Pay Now button. Your payment will be verified, and then you come into this screen on the ACA simulator. Just click on Submit without completing any data here. The processing time of the approval of your application is 2 working days. After that, if you do not receive a password to log into the system, please call EGP Secretariat Help Desk on 0112 151467. Thank you for watching this video. For additional questions, please contact info@promise.lk or call on 0112 151467. Additionally, you can also visit promise.lk and download the Procuring Entity Liaison Officer Guide.